Hey y'all. um, Gary and his sweet little wife just left, and we had the nicest visit. I have to show y'all what they brought. Look at those flowers. I think they're carnations. They're absolutely beautiful. And wait till you see this. It's my new bikini. What do y'all think? Does it look cute? Of course, you guessed it. This is Miss Hazel's little bikini. Can you believe that? Hazel has a bikini and I don't. I'm going to have to try to put it on her, y'all. It probably won't be now. Okay, what I'm doing is, I keep saying I'm going to get a different one of these. One of these days I will. But I put some navy beans in the crock pot. Not crock pot, Instant Pot. And yes, I used a gasket. Isn't that cool? Can't believe I remembered it. And then, let me see if I can show you. There you go. This is Hazel's organic ground beef. It's organic, no added antibiotics, no added growth hormones, and no preservatives. 100% grass fed. Now, y'all, this girl is, I'm going to cook it in this skillet right here. And that white stuff you see, that's coconut oil. Or coconut something. What do they call that? Anyway, it's non-GMO, organic coconut oil, refined. So I'm going to cook the beef in the coconut oil because it is so dry. And I'll have maybe a little of that beef myself. I'm not much of a, I'm not much of a meat eater, really. But then what I'm going to do is I am going to throw some chicken thighs into the Instant Pot. And I'm not sure yet how I'm going to flavor them, season them. Garlic, onion, I don't know. But then I'm going to put some wide noodles. I love noodles, y'all. I like to cook them, put them in a bowl when they're hot, put lots of butter on them, salt and pepper. That's good for me. But I'll put this broth in with chicky. And I've got some cream of chicken soup. And I'm going to mix my noodles in when it's done. And, hopefully I'll have food for at least 3 days. And so will Hazel. Now, she only gets the meat. I am saving her chicken bones in a Ziploc bag. And when I get enough, I will make her some doggy bone broth, which is supposed to be good for her. Where is she? She's wandering. So anyway, that's all I'm up to this afternoon. I just thought I'd get a little bit of cooking done for next week. And who knows what else I'll come up with. But just wanted to show you Hazel's new bikini. It's funny, isn't it, that she gets to go to the beauty shop. She gets a new bikini. And I get to cook. But that's okay. I got my flowers. Look, y'all. Aren't they beautiful? Now, One of y'all got me this beautiful mug. It's a coffee mug. And let me show you. This is what the box looked like. It is so gorgeous. I believe... Yep, of course, I can't think of the name of these flowers. Oh, my word. Tip of my tongue. Anyway, y'all, that's all I'm going to do this afternoon. I really, really, really want to play some solitaire, but I'm afraid. I do have some videos to get out, and somebody sent me some pictures that I wanted to put up, but when I try to put them on Filmora, it cuts the head and the bottom part off. I don't know. Now, if I took the pictures from my phone, they would be fine, or even my tablet. So I don't know why that won't work. And I'm very frustrated. But I'm going to find somebody to help me with that. So it is Sunday afternoon, about 3:30. I hope y'all did something a little fun. I had so much fun with my company. It was just they are the sweetest people. And I don't even know how they knew what size bikini Miss Hazel needed. There she is. Can y'all see her in the background? She's having such a time, y'all. It breaks my heart. Breaks my heart. But she's having the best life that she can have. The best. I mean, you know how much that little wad of hamburger was? It was $6.49. Just that handful of hamburger. And you know what? She's getting spoiled. She does not want to eat her dry food. She goes over there and smells of it, and that's it. So I've been feeding her a little bit of soft food in the morning, and then she gets her chicken or her beef for her evening meal. So I'll let y'all know what the vet says tomorrow. And I'll talk to y'all later. I've definitely done my fun today. And yeah, that's it. That's all I've got. Talk to y'all later. Bye.